Hey YouTube, I got a new multimeter and this one is from AstroAI off of Amazon. I have been using this thing forever, this DT838, and it has been really good. It's all taped together and one of the leads is ready to snap off. And I thought I should get another one just in case this one bites the dust. So I picked this up. I think it was around $25, and I thought let's open it up and check it out. Alright, so really nice, simple packaging, not much there. You have your user manual and brand new leads in a little zip or a baggie. Okay, here are the leads. So here are the leads, and let's take out the multimeter. I hope it has batteries. Does it come with batteries? Does that say gift for men? All right, let's see here. Battery included 1.9 volt, and all right, gifts for men. All right, let's see here. So here we are. So here it is, your test leads, your user manual, and let's see, we're going to put our positives in this one here. You got to press quite hard. Your negative, or the black. What am I doing pressing with that hand? All right. And I have been using this multimeter forever. This is the DT838. It has been pretty awesome. The problem with this one is the lead is broken and it's being held together with some tape. Some other stuff I've had to fiddle with on the inside, like the contacts on the battery, and other than that, it has been really reliable. But I thought I should buy something else before this thing totally breaks down. So I saw this AstroAI for $25, and I thought, okay, I'm gonna pick this up. So I did. So let's check it out. Has the leads. It is backlit. Awesome. It's backlit. And let's listen to it. So sounds good. It's really fast response. Let's try to measure some batteries. All right, so here we have a Ryobi HP battery, 18 volt, and let's put that light on. And we got 19.2 volts. I'm guessing that thing is charged up. Here we have a Makita 5 amp hour, and these leads don't fit in there, so we'll use 2 of these things, these brackets, slide them in, and let's backlight that. Then we got 18 volts. Take these out. Here we have a DeWalt 5 amp hour, and all right, let's measure that. All right, so those are all charged up. Here is the Livedian. This is 388 volts F, whatever that means, and ETP technology. And as you know, this is the same shape and fit as the Makita battery. So let's check this one. Oh, look at this. This slides right in. Wow, 19 volts. 19 volts. I have not charged this battery since the wheel. I took apart the whole motor and I did the wheel hub. No, what was it? The knuckle hub with that impact, and it's still reading 19 volts. That is wild. What was the Makita again? Uh-oh. Here's the Makita. It's already falling apart. All right, this is the Makita. Look at this. You can't put the leads in here. And I don't remember the last time I charged that battery, but or used it. Maybe it was the mid torque video, the Makita mid torque video on the Skidmore, or was it at the junkyard? I'm not sure, but this thing's putting out a lot of power, or this thing has a lot of voltage for a knockoff. Should we put this on the charger and see? All right. $123. Okay, you know what? Let's try this Guru power pack. This the jumper pack, and I'm curious to see how much that puts out. So, got the glue. And what do I do here? So power on. And no, that's the light. Oh yeah. There you go. 12 volts. Does it shut off? How long does it last? Oh yeah, what was that? About 10 seconds. So that is the Gulu jump pack. Puts out around 12 volts. So my battery is dead on this van, and we're gonna check it with this AstroAI Multimeter. Let's see there. So we got the one lead there. Let's put this one right here. Yeah, oh, 2 volts. That's not good. 2 volts. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to jump it with the Gulu jump pack. Let me set up the camera. So we got 14 volts. It's good. Alternator's good. And I'm just going to leave that on there.